In this tutorial, let's talk about how to set up your course. Now I'm on the MyBB homepage here, and there are different links to different courses that I have here. Let me go to the demo course here, and this will bring up this homepage for the course. As you can see, these are also modularized. You can just change their position here on the course. Um, Move them around. Whatever way you like. You can minimize this or expand this, or you can even get rid of some of this. You can also customize the pages if you like another color scheme. See, there are various options for you to choose from. Cancel now because I like the way it is. And also, you will notice that there are several modules here. Here, this is the course menu. Course menu, it shows different links to different areas in the course, like course information. That's where you usually put your syllabus and your bio, your contact information. Anyway, generic information related to this course. Content is where you put your PowerPoint, your other kind of course activities in here. And group is where you can, set up groups. And then you have tools and discussions and help. All of this can be customized. You can drag them around, move this up or move this down, by clicking on this arrow thing here. And the option icon here is where you can just, rename the link or hide the link or delete the link. When you first go to Blackboard, it might have yours may not look exactly the same with mine. That's because you might have icons instead of this text that I have. Let me show you what I mean here. Click on customization here. Go to style. See, there are two options here for you to show this. If I click on buttons, this is what yours may look like. If I save this here right now, see, these are now buttons, but I don't like buttons so much because the scroll bar here hide the option icon here. So I would prefer that you go to the style again and change this to text, and then submit it. And now this options icons are here very conspicuous. You can also add new content on the course menu. You can add new course tools. You can add the entire folder here. You can add a subheader. You can add a divider if you want to divide things into groups here. And here you will have the control panel. The control panel used to be hidden in the early version of Blackboard. Right now it's on the same page wherever you go. It has several areas here. Files, it's just a little file management system here. You can just put your files here for you to select from later on. For instance, I have a picture here. Actually, I want to move this picture somewhere else. I want to move this to images because I want to keep these files well organized. Submit it. Submit it. So now all my files are now neatly organized in the folders. So that's what the file management system here do. I will explain a little bit later why you need to put files in here, because that's a way to keep files organized. And then you have course tool. This is extremely useful. You will come here a lot. You will see the announcements where you can post announcements to students. You will be able to create blocks. You can have students collaborate with each other. And you can create things like journals, wikis. You can also communicate to students by sending them email or messages. There are also options like glossaries, which some people use, some people do not. And you can also set up rubrics for your course. So anyway, there are all sorts of things you can do under course tools. Grade Center is where you go to grade students' work. For instance, you can grade their assignments or their tests. Or you can just go to their full grade center where you can just, um, add or change their grades. Users and groups, you can create groups for students, create a single group or multiple um, set of groups. You can create a set of groups or a single group. Um, there are many ways you can create a group. You can create a group so that you can manually enroll, or you can randomly assign them to different groups. Pretty powerful. For the users, usually you don't need to worry about it, because when the course is created, students enrolled in your course will be automatically um, synced to your course, so you don't have to worry about it unless there is a problem that the student report to you. Customization is where you can just change the settings for the course, the way the course looks, the way the course is made available or not. And packages and utilities. This is a place where you can. This is a very scary place because you can delete everything in your course, like bulk delete. Usually, don't touch that. You can copy the course content from one course to another. You can import an entire course, entire the entire content from a particular course into this particular course, or you can export this entire course to another course. So this is a place where you can import and export your course content between courses. And the help is where you can find tutorials, things like this. I strongly recommend that you go to On Demand, this web page by Blackboard, which has lots of useful tutorials. See how to add content, how to build your course content, how to use the text editor, how to edit the course homepage, etc. So if there is anything that we haven't covered, it's basically here already posted in the Blackboard website. So I strongly recommend that you keep this as your resource as you proceed in teaching the course. So basically that's how your course is set up and how you can customize it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Thank you.